Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make green gram kheer. It's healthy and pretty simple to make. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients. 1 cup of split green gram, 3/4 cup of jaggery, that is 150 gram, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 15 cashew nuts, 15 to 20 raisins, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and some water. This is 1 cup of split green gram. Wash it. Add 2 to 3 cups of water. Cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Into a saucepan, add jaggery. Add half a cup of water for the jaggery to melt. Let it melt completely. Keep it aside. Dal is cooked well. Mash it a bit. It should not be smooth. Now let's mix the dal and the melted jaggery. Strain the melted jaggery into the dal. Give it a nice mix. I'm adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well. Keep the flame on low. I'm adding 1 cup of thick coconut milk. This will enhance the flavor of the kheer. Slightly warm the coconut milk. It should not come to a boil. Just 30 seconds will be good enough. Check the consistency. Into a saucepan, add a tablespoon of ghee. Add cashew nuts and raisins. Roast them for a while. Once the raisins plump up, remove them. Add the roasted cashew nuts and raisins to the kheer. Our green gram kheer is ready to be served. Serve hot. If you prefer it nice and chilled, refrigerate it and serve chill. Do try this healthy kheer and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.